right, so there will be a few pauses in this video because when I show you something, I'm going to stop and look at it to see if I later have to blur something out. But I want to show you, I'm here with my friend Joseph. What's up?
What's going on, guys?
And I want to show you how to buy cryptocurrency, because this is something, if you don't know how to do it, I mean, there's things out there, but it's nice to see a video to have somebody show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Coinbase. And Coinbase is kind of one of the bigger, more reliable platforms, places where you can buy some cryptocurrency. All you could buy here is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So you're going to go in and create an account, and then you'll connect your account to your bank account. And maybe that'll freak you out a little bit, but I haven't heard any bad stories, and I haven't experienced any bad stories. And Coinbase actually, I think is a U.S. company. I've heard through hearsay, a friend told me who knows a lot, that this is a U.S. company and they have to comply with know your customer rules, and it's totally reliable as a U.S. company. So that said, I've connected it to a bank account, and I bought a little Bitcoin. I bought it. It takes about a week to get here, but I bought it when it was about 8,700. It's now 8,300. That's cryptocurrency. Earlier today it was 7,000. So thankfully it's coming back up. But as soon as I get this, Bitcoin, I'm going to go over to Crypto Bridge. And Crypto Bridge is a place where you could take Bitcoin and you could turn it into other cryptocurrencies. They're called altcoins. They're alternative coins. They're alternatives to Bitcoin. And so to transfer that, and I will show you how to transfer in the next video. I just want to look at it. This will be a short series of videos about how to do it, and I'll create a little playlist. So just look for the next video in this playlist, or come to Todd McLeod YouTube. I'll put these under Learn to Code. Todd McLeod YouTube. Todd McLeod YouTube. Learn to Code. So this is my channel, and then you come here, one of my channels, and you come here and then just go to playlist and look for my cryptocurrency playlist, and I'll have the next step in there. So the first step, just get your bank account connected to Coinbase, and you can buy some Bitcoin, and then I'll show you stuff in the next video how to do it. All right, cool. Boom.